So for 6i, I know in the past we've found rules for quadratics, we've found rules for exponentials and logs, and now we're doing rules for trig functions. So it tells you the general form of the function, and we just have to work out what those values of a and n are. So if the amplitude is 6, I know straight away it's going to be a 6 sine nt. The period is 10, so period is 2 pi on n. So that tells me that 2 pi on n equals 10. So 2 pi equals 10n. 2 pi on 10 equals n, but I'm going to simplify that down to n equals pi on 5. So what's the question? Find a and n. We've done that. There's n. Well, there's a, but if I want to find a and L, it should be a equals 6 to make sure I answer the question. And then sketch the graph of, haven't left much room, of 6 sine, sorry, I've just realised that's actually a t, sorry. So it's 6 sine pi t on 5 between 0 and 10. So the period is 10, so in 10 we're going to get a whole rotation. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go, it's a sine graph. So it looks like that. Its period is 10, so that must be 5. This would be 2.5, this would be 7.5, and the amplitude is 6. So there's our graph. Let's have a look at the next one, 6i. This is a sine nt plus b. So what have we got? What's my amplitude? It's this one here. So the amplitude is 2. The period from start to when it gets back to the start is 6. So 2 pi on n equals 6. So 2 pi equals 6n. So n is 2 pi on 6, which is pi on 3. And then b, that's a vertical translation. So how much has it been moved up and down? Well, originally, this is a sine graph. It would have been a 0. It's gone up 4. So we've got a equals 2, n equals pi on 3, and b equals 4. So you could go ahead and do 6i now.